What is up, guys, and welcome back. We are in Fort Jefferson, Dry Tortugas, in a 24-foot bay boat. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel. Left Key West 3 days ago.
Yep.
This is day 4 in the Dry Tortugas, and we are just exploring this beautiful place.
It seems like the water here pulls up, can't get out. And the water over there is real fresh because it's got a little inlet that lets all the water in and out.
Heck yeah. So we're gonna walk this border.
Yeah, this ends up cesspooling a little bit, but this side here is got water feeding it.
We're gonna walk the border of the island first.
Oh, look at the baby cuda. Little cuda.
Little Cuda.
Or something good. Oh, mango right out.
This is just unbelievable, the side of the island, guys. Insane. The architecture is amazing, dude.
It's so cool.
It really is.
They made things to last, man. I don't know how many people still build like that.
You walk around the whole entire fort, and then
Yeah.
you can walk inside of it and on top of it.
Yeah. I feel like that's the only natural sidewalk there, the brick, and then this is all they've added because of this.
The water's
Collapse.
gin clear, dude.
Pieces are just pulled away.
Oh, look at that sea fan. If you guys ever hear me on my episode saying I catch hogfish on sea fans, that's a sea fan right there. Jeff and I out here exploring the island, dude. I mean, we're out here, we're having a great time. We're not only fishing, we're exploring the whole area. We're about to give you guys a tour of our tour of the area. We might have a little dead end coming up here, but guys, this is absolutely incredible. Like, just to be able to explore this island. Oh, there's a school of fish. Those are rainbow runners. That's amazing. Yeah, so he's been here several times. This is my first time ever being here, but he's been here exploring the place, you know, in the evenings.
Mostly fishing.
Yeah, he's here mostly fishing.
This is almost as new to me, or
As it is to me. This is brand new to me. Obviously, this is my first time ever being here, but this is absolutely
This will be fun.
an amazing scene. Like, you can walk around this whole entire fort, and then you can go inside and explore it, and at the same time see this beautiful crystal clear gin water and fish everywhere. Literally, it's like Jurassic Park out here. We've caught plenty of fish already, but we might go out this afternoon, huh?
I would love to.
We might go out this afternoon. Yeah, we're going out this afternoon. There ain't no might. This is our last day here. Come on. So there is an end to walking this side of the fort. This is actually the west side of the fort. So there's an end to the sidewalk right here. But I think you can go around the other side. Maybe we'll do that.
Right off that reef.
That's where I wanted to swim.
Let's just say he tastes good on the grill. Look at him.
Where at? Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at him, dude.
Look at that stud mang.
Stuff in that wall.
Alright guys, so here on the island, you can actually see these are the boats that come in, much like one we saw in the middle of the ocean.
Look at the drive shaft. This motor was probably in here powering that drive shaft. Literally had a motor, like a big diesel engine.
Big diesel engine powering this. Look at all the remnants in here, guys.
Look at the
Oh my
huge
goodness.
ones.
This
all
is
the fuel to try to keep it going.
Whole bunch of bottles of fuel. There's shoes in here. This is just the remnants of people trying to cross over. Now we are walking into the fort. See what this place is. It's so cool. So it says the fort is open from sun up to sunset. We did hear that there's a little place that you can go to a welcome center right around this corner.
Now this right here is something that's actually extremely awesome for the kiddos. I mean, after all, if you're not pouring into the next generation, what are you doing? You can go online to takingthefishing.org and download this booklet, or you can pick it up at one of Florida's national parks, including right here in the Dry Tortugas, where the kids can not only earn their junior ranger badge, but also their junior angler badge. Check it out, guys.
That basically the fort was great at protecting the ships that protected the area, but without the ships that anchored here, enemies could have just swung right by the fort.
So this is so cool, guys. You can actually stamp your passports right here by yourself. This is so cool. This is so incredible. This experience to just explore this whole island is it's just out of control, guys. So this is one of the cool things that the park ranger just told me about. Said there's a bakery. So this is the bakery right here, and what the park ranger told me was they have documented, recorded history of some of the war soldiers that used to work out of this fort, saying that the food here was actually terrible. But it's just cool that they have that history of the park, just knowing that an actual soldier gave that information. The second floor, there's actually a chapel, which there was no guns allowed. And the second floor has the chapel. The park ranger was telling me that these bricks were made with this kind of precision because I wanted to emphasize the craftsmanship of the people that built it. Alright, now we can go up one more set of stairs. And this should bring us to the rooftop, which is where they shot the cannons. They said that these cannons shot shells that were 50 pounds each. So epic. Look at this cannon. Wow. And you, just like you said, Jeff, this does rotate. 10 of these giant cannons on this fort to protect it.
Bro, can you imagine the force when that goes off, when it puts on that floor?
Ain't no telling. So amazing. This is really cool, guys.
What I love about this place is that it lets go of some of the pampering we get.
Yeah.
The rails and the guards. Like, if you're not watching it, you'll walk right off this thing. Why are they no problem seeing us? I can see this.
This exploration of this place is just amazing. Just understanding the history a little bit more from the park rangers, giving us the feedback on the stories that are not told in the little signs is so amazing. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely incredible. What a sanctuary for those fish, man, to be able to come in and get bigger.
Very free. They let you worry about your own safety.
Really cool little sidewalk that just brings you through the place on the outer shell.
I wonder if this fort's ever like sustained gunfire, you know?
This is absolutely incredible, guys. Just to give you guys perspective, that right there is my boat.
Nice about it. You gave us great ones.
We just walked completely around the entire exterior of the fort, thanks to the park ranger that led us the right way. And now we're gonna go back down these awesome stairs and go back to camp and grill out some fresh yellowtail snapper. So we get back to camp. Apparently Jeff got some things from the store that we were just at.
And I'll show you on the shirt because the shirt's a little bigger. They're discontinuing this year for some reason, but I just couldn't get over the fact that the turtle had.
That is so cool.
Fort Jefferson mixed in. It's just what looks like all of his scales or whatnot on a turtle. Just it's all different words and texture.
I love that, dude.
And then I got you a little something.
What?
I like gifts.
Well, you come on.
But I like functional gifts too, and I know how much you love your coffee, bro.
Come on, dude. Are you
Look at this
serious?
thing. I got one for me too because I couldn't help it.
Dude, that is sick. I'm drinking my coffee out of it tomorrow morning.
Dude, how cool is
Dude, that is so cool.
Good morning, Dry Tortugas.